Yo, what's up, gang? It's your boy Rick, aka Iconic, back with another video. This is actually a short video. I've been getting a lot of questions about my Forex funds, and currently I am not trading with them, so I really don't know a lot about what's going on. I'm currently trading with the Fivers. I'm doing their 100K boot camp. You can find the link in the comment section or yeah, whatever description. This is actually an affiliate link. If you want to click it, you click it. If you don't, I really don't care. But that's who I'm trading with right now. And so I'm on the last part of the challenge. I'm seeing. All right, so here we go. There was some issues with my account maybe 2 days ago. Somehow it was linked with a different account. So not sure what happened to my 25K because they started out at 25K, but I completed that. But obviously you can see that it's not even there, but whatever. Then we have the 50K, smashed that one, and now I'm on the 75K, which is what you're seeing displaying. Every time you pass one, the older one just disappears. It doesn't show up at all. So right now on the 75K, currently up $1,109.50. So the target is going to be 4,500, and again I'm at 1119.1119.50. So you know, not doing too bad. So and I'm going to analyze the market a little bit later. It is 12:41 a.m. right now, but let's go ahead and get into the topic that's in the title as to 2 reasons why you will fail at Ftmo and Myforexfunds. Well, what I've noticed is, and this is even with myself, I've fallen into that trap before. Number one, your lot size. Okay, your lot size is one of the main ingredients in any successful trading strategy, right? Tons of traders are using lot sizes that are just way, way, way too big for their account size. And then eventually they blow up their account, start crying to their mama. They already told their girlfriend they was going to crush it. Now they're looking like a fucking idiot. Me personally, I think you should risk no more than 1% on any trade. The only way you're going to risk more than 1% is if you're up on a trade and then you want to add on to it. That's the only time you should be risking more than 1%. But if you're up and you're adding on, as long as you move to break even, you're just literally gonna be risking that 1%, right? So risk no more than 1%. And like I said, you can take multiple trades, but just make sure you're in profit before you even do that. If you have an account, let's say your account is about $500, you should not be risking more than $5. Yeah, I know that sounds like a piece of shit, bullshit, but don't try to become a million overnight, right? Risk it $5, but again, yes, you're risking $5, but your upside potential is way greater because you literally could set your take profit to wherever the hell you want to take profit. Okay. What I would say is use that time frame where you're trading to refine your strategy, get your mind right. Okay. If you can't trade on a small account, you're definitely not going to trade on a big account because trust me, greed is going to set in. Right. So you need to go ahead and stop that bullshit. Rule number 2, and again, these are all things that I got hit with, but I've overcome that shit. So I suggest if you want to become a profitable trader, then you might want to start practicing real quick. All right, and I'm actually reading off something that I just typed this up. And I was doing some research, and a lot of this is just what's on my mind and what was affecting me. All right, so not using a stop loss, right? As a new trader, you should always use one proper lot size, right? But you should always use an automatic stop loss, not a mental stop loss. Not like, oh, I'm gonna close it if it gets to that level. That shit don't work. I've tried it before. Trust me. Okay, so always use an automatic stop loss when you're trading, whether it's Forex, stocks, metals like gold, silver, or commodities like oil, right? Before entering into any trade, you should always, always, always know and accept the risk involved. on that particular trade. Literally, that's a must. Without an automatic stop loss in place, you're going to trust me, you're going to watch your account vanish. You will start to trade on hope, you know what I mean, and not your actual trading plan. Fear floss is going to start, kicking in, and then that little loser on the inside is going to be telling you some bullshit. If you're down on a trade, it's going to be like, it's going to turn. It's going to turn. Don't worry, it's going to turn. No, that shit don't fucking turn. What could have been a 25 pip stop loss is now you're down like 135 pips, still open. And by the time you know it, you get a margin call, your account gets closed out, you're shut down. Now you got to start that shit all over again. So keep your emotions in check. Keep your emotions out of trading. Cut your losses. Cut them real quick, right? Some rules for making, rules for keeping your emotion out of trading, right? Managing your emotion is a must. It's one of the most difficult part of trading. I still battle with that. A successful trader can give their system to a rookie, and a rookie will end up losing all of their money because they can't keep their emotions out of trades. That means they can't take the losses, like I explained earlier. When the trading system tell you to get out, right? Man, this is some real shit right here, I'm telling you. And also, not only they don't want to get out of the losing trade, they don't want to get out of the winning trades either, because they think it's going to go to the moon. So all the way around, you're going to be losing, because your winning trade, what would have been a winner, is now going to come back and bite you in the ass and become a loser, a losing trade, right? You can't always try to hit a home run. Like I said, don't try to be a millionaire overnight, right? You have to adapt a proven strategy, following specific rules determined by the strategy. Determining your strategy is the vital part of success. Determine when you're going to get in, get out, right? According to legendary trader Ed Sequoia, the bigger the drawdown, the more challenge it is to bounce back. If you lose 10% on your account, you only need to gain about 11.1% to get to break even. But if you lose 50%, you'll need to double your money to get back to even. So, these are the two rules. I think if you apply these two simple rules, if you listen, then you're going to see your trading get way better. And the reason why I put Ftmo and Myforexfunds in the subject line is because they don't require you to use stop loss. You could trade just about any lot size you want, and that entices a lot of traders, right? My trading has improved dramatically over the little time frame that I've been trading with the fivers. The reason being, you have to use a stop loss. You don't use a stop loss, you're gonna get violated, and you only get 3 chances, and you're gonna be out. Not only that you're using a stop loss, you cannot lose more than 1% of the account. So in this instance, where my this $75,000 account here, initially $750 was the that's what I had to use for a stop loss. So I love it. I really love it, because I'm practicing. I'm getting better. As you can see, I'm on the final stage. I try to use a stop loss on every single trade because I don't want to violate this. This is a big opportunity, not just for me, but for my family, for friends, for people that I know. So I'm telling you guys, sign up for the fivers. I think it's good for somebody that needs some discipline. If you just want to give away your money, hey, join the fivers and don't use a stop loss, because they're going to kick you out of that shit immediately. But this is where it's at, guys. Myforexfunds, you don't have to use it, so you end up not trading with a stop loss. You end up taking a lot size that's way bigger than you need to. You losing. You start out with a $50,000 account, and your first loss is like 10 grand. That makes no damn sense, right? Anyway, guys, I ain't trying to make this video too long. So again, right now I'm trading with the fivers. The link is going to be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash the thumbs up button. Share the channel. Listen, I barely have any subscribers on this channel. I ain't even going front. I got like 66 subscribers, because I don't think people want to hear the real. You know, when I'm trading, I show my actual trades that I'm actually taking, not trades that I took and said this is what I took earlier, right? I try to show you exactly where I'm getting in, where I'm getting out when I actually place the trades. But it looks like, you know, most people want to see, you know, how what I did to get 100 RR after the fact. Where's the actual trade? I don't want. I mean, I could go back to this right now and show you how to get 100 RR, but not all of. Not, when you're in a live trade, you really don't see everything. Especially for people that saying they're trading off the 1 minute chart. I mean, yeah, you can take an entry off of it, but that thing moves so fast. But again, anyway, I'm closing out the video. Didn't mean to make it so long. Hope you guys, you know, subscribe to the channel. You know, the more subscribers I get, honestly, it feels very comforting. It feels very comforting. It makes me want to do these videos. It's not just for my benefit, but I think other people can benefit from it. Again, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm gonna always be real. You know, I do cuss a little bit. I'm trying to work on that because I have two boys, one being 3, and I've heard him, you know, chop it up a few times, and I'm not proud of that. But he did get that from me, so I'm working on that. But I'm gonna chop it up a few times. Honestly, it's just gonna slip out. Not trying to be nobody other than, you know, Rick, aka Iconic. Become an iconic trader. Let's get this money together. Again, subscribe to the channel. Peace.